Hello. I would like that you give me or that you suggest me which is the best combination between two belts of Harley-Davidson and two buckles of Harley-Davidson. One is for me, and one I would like to do a present for her birthday to my girlfriend. And I would like from you that you give me a comment which is the best combination between the two belts and the two buckles. First, I present you the first belt. This belt is for me. It is from Harley-Davidson. It is from Lotus, and it is named the Texas the belt with Texas stars. I present you firstly this one. A very beautiful belt. I like this Texas star very much. Okay, this is the first one. The second one is the belt that I want to do a present to my girlfriend. It is also a belt from Harley-Davidson. It is very massive, and it is very rare. Here in Europe, it is a belt that is really not available. It comes directly from the United States of America. I present you this belt. The name is it is from Harley-Davidson, and the name is Asphalt. Asphalt. It's very massive. Okay, I present you now the two buckles that I have bought. The first is skull of Willie G. It is also a massive one. It's made in USA. Okay, the second one is Snake and Skull, also from Harley-Davidson. So, and now I want that you tell me which, in your opinion, is the best combination. First, I do the Willie G buckle with the Star of Texas and the Snake and Skull with the Asphalt belt. So this is what you see. So okay. Now my questions. Which is, in your opinion, the best combination? This one? That means Willie G with Texas Star and Snake and Skull with Asphalt, or the combination or this combination. That means Snake and Skull buckle with the Texas Star belt and Willie G with the Asphalt belt. I haven't decided which combination is the best one. To remember, the Texas Star belt is for me, for a man, and the Asphalt belt is for my girlfriend. So this combination, Willie G Asphalt and Snake Skull Texas Star, or this one, Asphalt, Snake and Skull, and Willie G and Texas Star. Texas Star is for me a man. Asphalt is for a woman. Which is the best combination? Yes, I'm waiting for your comments. Goodbye.